We'll guide you through how to make a Countryball in Ibis Paint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People wants to learn how to create a specific object that fill with specific theme. Begin by opening your application by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. To start a project, choose My Gallery. Add a new project by left-clicking the plus logo on the upper menu bar. Pick your canvas size by choosing one of the available sizes, or pick your own preferred size by adjusting the pixels manually. When your canvas is ready, choose the brush tools on the bottom toolbar. Pick the pen brush. Adjust the thickness by dragging the slider. Set your brush color by picking your desired color on the color tools. Now, to draw a ball, you can choose the drawing tools on the top toolbar. Scroll down a little bit to show the shape tools. Pick the circle shape. Enable drawing with the brush option and disable the fill setting. Click the drawing tools again. Now draw a circle by holding left click and dragging your pointer across the canvas. Add a new layer under your circle layer. Choose the magic wand on the toolbar. Left click on the outside area of your circle, then click invert. Then change the magic wand into a brush. Change the brush color into the base color of your country flag. Brush it across your circle. When your circle is filled with color, choose the magic wand again and select Remove Selection. Add a new layer above your selection layer and clip it to that layer. Draw the details of your desired country flag. Add another layer above the current layer. Draw eyes for expression. Finalize your drawing by choosing the export option. Choose Save Image and set the format. Click OK to render your image. Make sure you review your work carefully before saving to ensure all elements are placed correctly and colors appear as intended. If needed, return to previous layers to adjust shapes or colors until satisfied. Use the zoom feature to check small details and clean edges around the circle and eyes. Keeping your layers organized will help you make quick edits without confusion. Once everything looks complete and polished, confirm your export settings and proceed with saving your finished artwork.